I'm Aaron Tucker, and this is How to Roll Shirts with Sweaters for Men. This is a good question if you're really trying to get yourself started on creating your own style and showing your fashion personality. Why? Because one of the best ways to show that you know what you're doing when getting dressed is to layer your pieces. So if you want to roll your shirt up with your sweater, of course you're going to start with your sweater first because that's your top piece. Start with your sweater. You can start with the hemline or the cuff line of your sweater to make sure you get an even cuff. If not, you just want to start maybe about an inch up, roll up evenly with your sweater first, get it to the desired length, and then start rolling up your shirt. You can roll your shirt up right underneath your sweater, or you can even roll it up over your sweater. Try it out, see which one works best for you, and also think about the thickness of your sweater as well. You want to be able to roll it up, but you don't want it too tight, because of course you want to be comfortable in whatever you wear. You want to look comfortable in what you're wearing, and you actually want to feel comfortable.